In this quick video, I'll show you how to create PDF file in Adobe Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So suppose you done your creation and now you want to save your image as PDF file. So it's really easy. For that we just need to go to file, then click on save as. After that we just need to change the type of our file. I just need to change the type to Photoshop PDF. Instead of Photoshop, I will click on Photoshop PDF. After that we just need to name our file. I will name it Tiger and then click on save, and then this window will pop up where we just need to click on OK. After that this window will pop up where we need to adjust some settings. First option is Adobe PDF preset. We need to set it as high quality print, and after in options section we need to check preserve Photoshop editing capabilities and optimize for fast web preview. We need to check these two options. After that in compression section we need to set it as do not downscale, and in compression section we need to set it as none. After that come to output section in which we need to set no conversion. After that you can simply leave other settings as it is, which are set as default. After that click on save PDF, then this window will pop up in which we need to click on yes. After that you can see my PDF has been saved successfully, and this is the way you can save your Photoshop files as PDF. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.